Hey everyone, COVID is growing in India and around the world. It's more concerning than ever. More than 2,500 people are dying in India every single day, and this is the average since the last 1 week. While the governments can only do enough, we need to step up and volunteer to become our community hero. We need more people to form micro communities, whether it's in your building, your apartments, your societies, your areas, and tackle the efforts to fight this pandemic together. Today, I'm going to show you how you can get started in less than 5 minutes to manage your COVID-19 community response efforts and start organizing those requests so you can help more people around you and help save time, resources, duplicated efforts in bringing and pulling resources together. Follow me how. So first, you need to go to stackby.com. Within Stackby, you need to go to templates and find the COVID-19 community response template. So there's a pre-built template already created. All you need to do is just use this stack and it will lead you to a login or a sign up. So just do a free sign up and then log in into the platform. It will allow you to, select which workspace would you like this, new template to add to. So just select your workspace. So I've already added the template in my workspace here. All I need to do is just get into the workspace. And here's how it looks, right? The first thing is you need to create a community request form. Within the community request form, you need to collect information from the requesters. So the first thing is you need to get their full name, their address, the details, what are they looking for, what are their needs, whether it is medical supplies or vegetables or masks or groceries, which area are they from, and what are their contact details. All you need to do is just drag and drop to create these fields and to create this form. Once you click on preview, the community request form will be created like this. And all you need to do is just share this link to your groups, whether it is your WhatsApp groups or your Telegram groups, and start collecting requests. So for example, if somebody puts in a request, say I'll just add a request. My address is XYZ building in Ring Road, Surat. And I'm looking for Remdesivir injections and N95 masks. So then I can select what the needs are, which area, the contact details, and just submit it. As soon as I submit, a new request is created here. And then you can just add which helper you want to basically assign this particular task to. So there is a helpers table that you can link to and just change the status and make it done once you fulfill it. So this is how you can quickly organize all your community requests in a single place and start mobilizing the resources. This will save a lot of time, efforts in putting and pulling all these resources together, for your small communities. I think all of us need to step up and start organizing information and start collecting this request so that we can really create some meaningful impact. Subscribe to this channel to get updates on meaningful content around entrepreneurship, starting up, digital marketing, community, and more every single week.